A woman simply placed a hanger in the wardrobe. As soon as she closed the door, she heard a sound coming from inside. Curious, she opened the door again and discovered that there was now an extra hanger that had appeared out of nowhere. But after careful observation, she found nothing unusual about the wardrobe, so she closed the door again. The next second, the same sound occurred once more. Incredibly, this time the number of hangers had doubled. The woman took all the hangers out, thinking she'd try it with a different object to see if the same thing would happen. She casually picked up a doll from the table and placed it in the wardrobe. Sure enough, just as she expected, with each closing and opening of the door, more and more dolls were duplicated. Having such a magical wardrobe, the woman suddenly had a crazy idea. She told her husband she wanted to conduct an experiment and needed him to get inside the wardrobe. However, the woman never could have imagined that when she excitedly pulled open the door, her husband had mysteriously vanished. Anxiously, she stepped into the wardrobe, but there was nothing inside. In her panic, the woman repeatedly opened and closed the door, but her husband was nowhere to be found. So she decided to shut herself inside the wardrobe to see what was really going on. Who would have known that shortly after she went in, there was a commotion outside? The woman quickly opened the door to check, but to her shock, there was another version of herself standing outside. Even more terrifying, her husband was lying motionless on the floor. The woman had absolutely no idea what had just happened.